Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. This is a place to inspire and to be inspired. Today we're going to be filming part 2 of our mini master bedroom bathroom makeover series. I say series, there's only going to be 2 parts, so this is the end of it. Today my plan is to pick up some fabric because we're going to make new pillow covers for the bed. I want to go to Home Goods and find a new soap dispenser. And today we're also going to be installing new lighting, new drawer handles, new faucet, and just a couple little things kind of tying everything together. So today is more of a decorating video, whereas the last video was painting and drywall. This is the golden pineapple flavor and it's the best, probably one of my favorites. Also, I forgot to mention, I ordered Swedish Candy. It took me over a month to get it. So at some point in this video, I do want to do a little taste test where I tell you whether each flavor is worth the hype or not. All right, back from the store. I did find some soap. I was gonna get just a soap dispenser that I could refill, but I thought that this little soap was cute, so $6. I just got this one. I could not find fabric. I went to Hobby Lobby, then went to Joann's, and back to Hobby Lobby, and then I ended up leaving with no fabric. I'm kind of toying with the idea of maybe even doing some kind of yellow, like what would match this blanket, because I have the fall colors going on. I'm still debating on what to do about the pillows, but all of my Amazon orders came in, so I'll show you that. I also got this little bathroom rug, and then from Target, I got these brass hooks for towels, and Amazon orders. These are little brass handles. So these brass knobs actually feel like they're pretty high quality versus the handles here, which feel super cheap, so I'm not sure how I feel about these. Just a simple black shower curtain rod. And this is the light for this bedroom. It's a little smaller than I thought it would be. It's cute. It's just kind of little. And this is my new faucet. I'm gonna have Kyle help me with the lights and the faucet because I don't feel like messing with plumbing or attempting to mess with lighting. And then we have the bathroom light. These. Cute. Very cute. I feel like the shower curtain is gonna be the easiest thing for us to start with. There. Does that look straight? Next, we're going to be replacing all of these drawer pulls. So I might have been a little dramatic when I said I didn't like these, because now that I'm looking at them on the vanity, I think that they look so much better than the silver. And they were cheap, like they were from Amazon, so I definitely wouldn't expect anything crazy high quality, but for the price, I think they're worth it. There. Okay, now we're gonna do these little ones. These feel like much better quality than the handles. And as long as they fit, then we're all good. So I love how it turned out. I think it's so much better than the silver. I really love these brass knobs. They were a pain in the ass to get in for whatever reason. I think it looks so much better having the gold accents. And next is going to be attaching the toilet paper holder. I could put it back where it was, but I kind of want to see if I can get it to attach here on the side of the vanity. I should have done this before I started drilling, but I want to make sure that it's not going to hit anything weird. No, we're good. much better. So now I need to attach these brass towel hooks. They're from Target. Pretending like I know what I'm doing. I think we got a stud here. First, I need to decide where I would want them. I think I decided on this. Just in case. Love it. I think I kind of want to get another one and put it next to the sink to hang a little hand towel. We'll see. They were only $5 at Target. So I waited over a month to get my Swedish Candy. So I'm going to let you know which ones were worth it and which ones were not. First, we have our classic pink bubs. The texture is really good. The flavor is light. It's like the LaCroix of candy. It's like a hint of strawberry. Watermelon bub. That one's also really good. This little blue skull. No, not it. The flavor is okay, but the texture is really sticky and it gets stuck in your teeth. Don't like it. The next one is this one. I think it's raspberry lemon or something skull. And this is another one of like the fluffy marshmallowy ones. Very soft, like pillowy. This one. Tastes like a pina colada. And the last one is this little mushroom. I don't know if that's Swedish candy or if that's just candy, because I feel like that's something you can find here in the US easily. It's good, but not worth waiting a month and a half. So the marshmallow bubs, like the opaque ones, those are all delicious. The flavor, the texture, I love them. The other ones, not worth it. All right, so we got our fabric, some zippers. I think it'll look good. And unfortunately, I hate the green. I don't know if it's the shade of green or if it's the velvet texture, but it's time to come up with a plan B. Now I'm just gonna unbox the new lighting fixture while Kyle takes out the old one. Okay. I'll take it. And for this being an Amazon light, I really love the way it turned out, and we used warm light bulbs. I just think it gives a nice warm glow. Now I'm just gonna take off all of the old fan panels. It's a little small, but I think it serves its purpose. I opted out of a ceiling fan because I just never use it. And I think one of the biggest transformations was this faucet. Going from the old silver one to the new, modern, more sleek black one just made a huge difference.